Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Ease. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. Today's episode is a big one. We're covering 100 phrases Americans use every day.
But we're not just giving you a random list. We're organizing everything by 20 real-life situations, so you'll always know exactly when to use each phrase.
Situations like asking for help, giving your opinion, apologizing, making plans, reacting to surprising news. The stuff you actually need in real conversations.
And for each situation, we'll give you several different ways to say the same thing, from casual to more advanced, so you can sound natural in any setting.
Let's jump right in.
Situation 1. Asking for help. Let's say you need help with something at work. You could say, "Could you walk me through this?"
Walk someone through something means to explain step by step.
Or, more casually, "Any chance you know how to do this?" We usually drop "is there" and just say, "any chance."
You could also say, "Would you mind helping me with this?" Or, "Do you have a sec to help me out?" A sec just means a short moment.
And simply, "Could you give me a hand with this?"
Situation 2. Saying you don't understand. If you don't understand something, the simplest way is, "I don't get it." Here, get means understand.
A little more detailed, "I'm having trouble with this," or "I'm not entirely clear on this."
You could also say, "I'm struggling to understand this." Or simply, "Could you explain that again?"
Situation 3. Being busy or needing more time. When you're really busy, you can say, "I'm swamped." Notice that D sounds almost like a soft T, swamped.
You could also say, "My schedule is jam-packed," or just, "Things are pretty hectic right now."
If you need more time on a project, say, "I'm running behind," or "We need to push back the deadline," meaning postpone it.
Situation 4. Giving your opinion. To ask someone's opinion, say, "What's your take on this?" Or more formally, "What's your perspective?"
You could also ask, "How do you see this?"
And to give your own opinion, "In my opinion," or "From my point of view."
Situation 5. Disagreeing politely. If you don't agree but want to be polite, say, "I'm not sure about that."
A bit more formal, "I have some reservations about that," or "I'm not totally convinced."
You could ask, "Have you thought about doing it differently?" Or say, "Before we move forward, we should consider a few things."
Situation 6. Agreeing or supporting an idea. If you love an idea, you can say, "I can get behind that." To get behind something means to support it.
Or, "You're really onto something," meaning they're on the right track.
You could also say, "That's spot on," or simply 100%. Native speakers actually pronounce it 100, not a 100%.
And, "I'm on board with that." That's already 22 phrases. Drop a comment below with your favorite one so far. Situation 7. Suggesting a meeting. Instead of "let's meet," try, "Are you free to go over this?" Go over means to review or discuss.
Or, "Can we touch base on this soon?" Touch base means to connect and discuss something.
Be specific. Does Monday at 11 work for you? Or, "Let's set aside some time." And "let's iron out the details," meaning finalize the last few things.
Situation 8. Starting something. To say, "Let's start," Americans love, "Let's get the ball rolling."
Or, "Let's hit the ground running," starting with a lot of energy and enthusiasm.
More casually, "Let's get going," "Let's get moving," or "Let's get cracking."
And a fun casual one is, "It's go time."
Situation 9. Canceling plans. If you can't attend something, say, "I can't make it." Here, make means attend.
More formally, "I have a scheduling conflict," or "I'm already booked," or "Unfortunately, I have another commitment,"
And simply, "I'm not available at that time."
or simply "I'm not available at that time."
Situation 10. Greetings and small talk. The most common North American greeting is, "How's it going?"
If you haven't seen someone in a while, "Long time no see," or "What have you been up to?"
You can also say, "Nice to see you again," or "How's your day been so far?" Situation 11. Asking about preferences. To ask what someone prefers, say, "How does that sound to you?" Or, "Are you more of a coffee person or a tea person?" The structure is more of a noun or noun. You could ask, "Would you rather stay in or go out?" Or, "How do you feel about that?" Situation 12. Expressing your own preference. To share your opinion casually, honestly, I think it's great. Or, to be honest, I'm not a big fan of it. If it's someone else's decision, it's totally your call. Or, I'd go with this one, and I get where you're coming from, meaning you understand their perspective. Halfway there, that's 50 phrases. If you're still with us, comment, let's go below.
Situation 13, apologizing. The simplest way, sorry about that. More casually, my bad.
You can also say, I didn't mean to, or just make a sound. Whoops.
And if you really want to fix things, I'll make it up to you, meaning I'll compensate for the mistake. Situation 14, saying thank you. Instead of a plain thank you, try thanks a bunch.
Or, I really appreciate it, and you're the best.
For something bigger, I can't thank you enough. And my personal favorite, you rock.
Situation 15, reacting to news and surprises. If you're shocked, say, are you serious? Or simply, no way.
Or, that's unbelievable, and you've got to be kidding me.
And one of my favorites, I didn't see that coming. Remember, these work for both good and bad surprises depending on the situation.
You can also say, I didn't mean to, or just make a sound. Whoops.
And if you really want to fix things, I'll make it up to you, meaning I'll compensate for the mistake.
Situation 16, making social plans. To invite someone, ask, are you free tonight? Or do you want to hang out this weekend?
You could also say, let's get together soon, or how about we grab coffee after work?
And we need to catch up, meaning talk and reconnect.
Situation 17, offering help. If you want to offer help, say, let me know if you need a hand.
Or, I'd be happy to help, and if you need anything, just ask.
You can also say, I'm here if you need me. And the most supportive one, don't worry, I've got your back.
Situation 18, saying goodbye.
The classic ones, take care and see you later, or see you soon.
Casually, especially from service workers, have a good one.
Or talk to you soon, and only if someone's actually driving, drive safe.
Situation 19, shopping and everyday errands.
At a store, you might ask, excuse me, how much is this?
Or, do you have this in medium? Or, where can I try this on?
You could also ask, is this included in the sale? And at home, you might say, we're out of milk, meaning there's none left.
And the washing machine is acting up again, meaning it's not working properly.
Finally, we need to replace this one.
And that's 100 phrases across 20 real, natural situations.
Let's do a super quick recap of the situations we covered today.
Asking for help, saying you don't understand, being busy, giving your opinion, disagreeing politely, agreeing, suggesting a meeting, starting something, canceling plans, greetings and small talk,
Asking about preferences, expressing your own preference, apologizing, saying thank you, reacting to news, making social plans, offering help, saying goodbye, shopping, and household problems.
That's 20 situations and 100 real, natural phrases, the kind Americans actually use every single day.
You don't need to remember all of them today. Just pick 5 and start using them this week.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's learning English.
And let us know in the comments, which phrase are you going to use first?
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye everyone, take care.
Don't forget to subscribe.